beautiful viewers. This is the K-Popper Unboxer coming to you with a brand new unboxing video. Today we have Merch Box 17. And Merch Box 17 is Tay-Tay's merch box. So this goes with his album Layover, just like the series we've been doing going all along. That started with Jin and is going to end with Jungkook. I believe in the next quarter they'll be shipped out. But anyway, for today we have this one. So this is very big, so I've had to back up a lot. So on this side, Tay Kim 17. Here's the bottom. And the BTS logo. So he ended up doing like a bag again. So this is very similar to his merch he designed. It is a bag. And it's a pretty big duffel bag. And then we also have some slippers. And then the photo card and holder that goes with the set. And we'll put all that together. So let me move this huge box out of the way. And we will look at the bag first. This is a lot nicer than I thought it was going to be. I don't know what I thought it was going to be, but... This is initials. The hardware is really nice. There is this piece that goes to the bottom. That way it'll hold structure. There's the inside. There's nothing in the inside really. Then on this other side we have the layover. So that's really nice. Maybe I'll use this when I go. Maybe I'll use it as my carry-on. So that's the bag. Also, the straps are really nice. And then the slippers. They say layover on them. And they have a V. And then there's a little tag in here that most likely tells you how to wash it. Can't really see it, so there we go. I think they're like a one size fits all. Let me see. I doubt it's gonna fit my... Okay, it stretches a little bit. It actually fits my foot. Wow. Okay. They're kind of cute. Okay, V. I mean, we all know he has good taste. So I don't know why I thought it wouldn't be. Okay, those are cute. And then we have this little box. Like the rest of them came with. And we have his little, it says becomes. Okay, and then his PC. So cute. And then it goes in like that. And now we will add him to the rest of the collection. So I believe, based on the color gradient, when we're together, even the desert becomes question mark. So we'll have to wait for the last unboxing to find out what the answer to that is, to the rest of the last word in the puzzle. So here we are. Everybody. One more, missing one more, and then we complete the 7. It's so cute. So that's pretty much it for merch box 17. Next will be Jungkook's merch box 18. So make sure you subscribe. I'm not gonna put the bag up here because it's huge. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss the next and last merch box in this set. Also, like this video if you're a BTS fan, and comment below who is your bias. My bias is, of course, Yoongi. Yeah, so I'm super excited for 2025. We're finishing up the year. 2025, of course, is when the boys are gonna be back. All of them. Currently, Jin and J-Hope are back, but everybody's gonna be back in 2025 in June. So everybody get ready, because the hiatus is going by real fast. But anyway, make sure you take care of yourself these holiday seasons and look forward to a fantastic 2025. As always, take care of yourselves, take care of others, and we'll see you in the next unboxing. Bye.